101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to our discussion tonight, and this is probably will be the last part of our discussion. And I will ask about the conclusion that we can get after discuss tonight. Probably start from our brother Aldan. So maybe you can share the conclusion after discuss about toxic trait to the smart listener.
Before I speak about the conclusion, I will tell you that got I was had an inferiority complex.
Mhm.
I was think that I am the underdog of my surroundings. So this is think that I am in the middle of the toxic,
Oh.
where I can think that I am the stupid one, right? Because I was gathering with so toxic environment as well in the past. Then I realized that because I was thinking that I'm not suitable with, for example, like in the bunch of people who are smart. Right?
Mm.
I don't want to put myself there because I got like inferiority complex and jealousy, things like that. Pressure. Yeah, pressure. Because it's hard for me to think that to adapt with them because I'm not like them. So I'm trying to be, but as a conclusion here is don't always think about your weaknesses. You know,
Oh.
like just focus on maximize your potential, which is you love do several things, which is things that you're passionate about. Let's take an example, public speaking.
Mm-hmm.
So I was really how to say confused where in which way I can improve my public speaking. So I'm never I throw away my weaknesses. I mean, like I don't think that it will be harm me in the future, but I just want to focus on things that I want to build. So one of them is English, and what is public speaking. Like this is the reason why I join many groups, yeah, of
Oh.
English community or the others. It's because I never think how to say jealous. I mean, I never think that jealousy will harm me in the future. But I can take lesson from that I can support me as well, encourage me to be a better person. That I need. It, it doesn't mean that I couldn't be like them, but I still didn't try yet. Right? Then I tried it. I can like join in BPC like when I was in 2019. I was feeling like it's hard for me to be there, right? Because I don't have English and public speaking, so I always do some procrastination. Procrastinate to join BPEC, but once I realized that I shouldn't be like this. I shouldn't keep my toxic characteristic, like jealousy or jealous, or even procrastination, things like that. I need to focus on build my what matters. So I see the opportunity and I maximize it. I do some effort to it, so I get the benefits, right? So yeah, that's it.
Oh. Okay, thank you very much for the conclusion. That's a very good conclusion. Okay, next, Kak Brian. What the conclusion that you can get after discuss about toxic trait tonight? Yeah.
Um, about the conclusion of this topic, just if you if you have toxic environment, just deny that, and for me, just be yourself.
Mhm.
Even the people judge you as how to say mocking you, even uh, have a toxic trait with you, and yeah, uh, just deny that and be yourself.
Okay, be yourself.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Next, guys. Maybe you have any suggestion or yeah conclusion that you can get after discuss about toxic trait.
Okay. toxic is the nature of a person we can harm other people who are considered to the be patient and uh,
Mm-hmm.
and uh, and also for uh, in apa and also for juga misalnya juga dapat jealous,
Jealous.
iri, and apa tidak mau mengalah seperti itu.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yes, begitu.
Thank you very much. Okay, Kak Henry. Maybe you have any suggestion to the smart listener about toxic trait?
Okay, so for Carl Alden say that I get insecure is one of toxic trait to myself.
Mhm.
Insecure.
Insecure.
So, yeah.
Insecure, okay.
Yeah, of course. It's very it's a very problem for me.
Oh.
So Carlin said it before. Just focus on our potential for increasing ourselves and
Maximize
not
yourself.
ourselves. So yeah, maybe for me, for all smart listener, if you have insecurity, maybe you must decrease our insecure. Yeah, and also if you have toxic trait now, you must move to the positive circle, because if you still in the negative circle, it's make me yourself it's not increase your potential, right?
Mm.
So just love yourself and do the best for your goals. Thank you.
Okay,
Oh,
love yourself
great.
and do the best for your goals. Okay, next. Kamal.
Oh, okay. So I just wonder, how's your relationship with your little brother going on?
Oh, good.
Is it just fine with your little
Yeah,
brother?
of course.
Oh, okay. Kind of wonder. So for me, I think it's more like a suggestion to all smart listener outside there. If you want to stop from being toxic or your toxic relationship, if you want to put a stop, I think you have to start from yourself. Try to see yourself first. Try to love yourself first, and then try to identify or spot what of toxic trait that you have. Because if you just stuck in that situation, then things will be get worse day by day. So if you want to stop the toxic trait in yourself or your surroundings, you gotta identify it within yourself first and also your surroundings.
Oh,
I think
okay.
that's all for me.
Okay, thank you very much. And maybe you can share any idioms or new vocabularies to the smart listener.
Okay. In English, sometimes we see selfish, egoist, but we also can say it self-observe
Mm-hmm.
or self-centered,
Oh,
where somebody it's refer to when somebody thinks the earth evolve on their or herself. So like egoist
Mm-hmm.
seperti itu.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yep.
Okay, smart listener, because we already in the end of the discussion today, and thank you very much for watching our discussion about toxic trait, and we will back in the next Sunday night, no Thursday night, with the interesting topic. So yeah, same time. Thank you very much, and bye bye.